Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, fresh eggs, and unsalted butter. It's super important to have all these at room temperature for a smooth batter. Also, don't forget to prepare your baking pans by greasing and flouring them well. This ensures your cake won't stick, making removal a breeze. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by creaming together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, giving your cake a wonderful texture. Next, add your eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients, always beginning and ending with the dry. Mix just until combined, avoiding overmixing. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your perfectly mixed batter evenly into your prepared pans, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake your cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. The best part is here, frosting and decorating. Make sure your cakes are completely cool before you even think about applying frosting. This prevents the frosting from melting and sliding off. You can use your favorite homemade buttercream, a rich cream cheese frosting, or even a simple glaze. Get creative with your decorations. Add sprinkles, fresh fruit, or a dusting of powdered sugar to make your homemade cake truly special and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.